Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Ryan Ahmed, President and founder of World Human Rights Preservation Organization. Now I will deliver a speech on World Children Rights. I am working to ensure children rights in India, Nepal, Bhutan, America, Russia, Canada, France, Norway, Denmark, Sweden, Switzerland, Bangladesh, Brazil, Argentina, Saudi Arab, Canada, Qatar, Russia, Ukraine, and around the world. A child temporarily or permanently deprived of his or her family environment or in whose own best interest cannot be allowed to remain in that environment shall be entitled to special protection and assistance provided by the state. States parties shall, in accordance with their national laws, ensure alternative care for such a child. Such care could include inter alia foster placement, uh, kafala of Islamic law, adaptation, or, if necessary, placement in suitable institutions for the care of children. When considering solutions, due regard shall be paid to the desirability of continuity in a child's uh, upbringing and to the child's ethnic, religious, cultural, and linguistic background. All countries around the world that recognize and or permit the system of adaptation shall ensure that the best interest of the child shall be the paramount consideration they shall ensure that the adaptation of a child is authorized only by the competent authorities who determine in accordance with applicable law and procedures and on the basis of all pertinent and reliable information that the adaptation is permissible in view of the child's status concerning parents, relatives, and legal guardians, and that if required, the persons concerned have given their informed consent to the adaptation on the basis of such counseling as may be necessary. Recognized that inter-country adaptation may be considered as an uh, alternative means of children care if the child cannot be placed in a foster on a adoptive family or cannot in any suitable manner be cared for in the child's country of origin. Ensure that the child concerned by inter-country adaptation enjoys safeguard and standard equivalent to their existing in the case of national adaptation. Take all appropriate measures to ensure that in inter-country adaptation the placement does not result in important financial gain for those involved in it. Promote where appropriate the objectives of the present article by concluding bilateral or multilateral arrangements or agreements and endeavor within this framework to ensure that the placement of children in another country is carried out by competent authorities or organ. No children around the world, Britain, America, Russia, Canada, France, Norway, Denmark, Sweden, and Switzerland, uh, shall be subjected to arbitrary or unlawful interference within his or her privacy, family, home, or correspondence, nor to unlawful attacks on his or her honor and reputation. The child has the right to the protection of law against such interference or attacks. Every children around the world, no matter they are born in India, Nepal, Bhutan, Russia, Canada, Nigeria, Niger, Gambia, Kenya, Vanuatu, Venezuela, Brazil, Argentina, Japan, China, Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, uh, and Australia, New Zealand. Uh, uh, every child shall have the right to freedom of expression. This right shall include freedom to seek, receive, and impart information and ideas of all kinds, regardless of frontiers, either orally, in writing, or in print, in the form of art and or through any other media of the child's choice. The exercise uh, uh, of this shall only be such as are provided by law and are necessary for respect of the rights or reputations of others or for the protection of national security or public order or public health or morals. All children shall respect the right of the all people around the world. Britain, America, Russia, Canada, France, and around the world have the right uh, of the child to freedom of thought, conscience, and religion. State parties shall respect the rights and duties of parents and, when applicable, legal guardians to provide direction to the child in the exercise of his or her right in a manner consistent with the evolving capacities of the child. Freedom to manifest one's religion or beliefs may be subject only to such uh, limitations as are prescribed by law and are necessary to protect public safety, order, health, or morals, or the fundamental rights and freedom of others. Uh, Britain, America, Russia, India, Nepal, Bhutan, Brazil, Argentina, Bangladesh, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Kuwait, Greece, Palestine, Israel, Australia, and New Zealand uh, recognize the rights of child to freedom of association and to freedom of peaceful assembly. No restrictions may be placed on the exercise of these rights other than those imposed in conformity within the law and which are necessary in a democratic society in the interest of national security or public safety, public order, the protection of public health or morals, or the protection of the rights and freedom of others shall be included. I am working to ensure human rights, peace, justice, education for all people around the world. It is my vision to make our world great. I believe that only education can make sustainable peace around the world. In India, Nepal, Bhutan, Russia, Canada, France, Norway, Denmark, Sweden, Switzerland, Azerbaijan, Armenia, uh, Thailand, Cambodia, Pakistan, Afghanistan, India, Russia, South Africa, we are working to ensure human rights.